growth in rail is going to be substantial. But alongside that growth, it needs to be safe, sustainable and cost effective. The good news is that rail operators have simulation tools available to them to meet these requirements that are brought on by the growth. For example, on the safety side, the simulation tools exist for operators to explore different weight loss ratios, different speeds, and look at anticipating derailments.
There's been a lot of discussion around sustainability, and much of that focus that we've seen here has been around new types of power for trains and locomotion, so in terms of batteries and in terms of hydrogen powered, and how that can affect and provide savings. So sustainability is absolutely a key theme of the conference, and going forward it will be. Rail is a very green technology, a very green transport outcome, and increasingly looking to actually do even more in that space, utilising these technologies. But along with that, there's also been an awareness of digitalisation and how digital can help rail in terms of preventative maintenance, as well as other uses of analytics and analysis in digital, and not just in terms of preventing issues that may eventuate in terms of outcomes, negative outcomes on operations, but also the recovery of that much quicker. So these are saving the industry in effort, in time, and in sustainability as well.
You heard from our experts, there is a significant interest in digital transformation strategies. We remain committed to supporting Australian industry decarbonization strategies and digital transformation requirements. Thank you.